Welcome back. This video is for those of you who may have a door or a window measuring over 7 feet 7 inches tall. If so, you may need some additional equipment, one of which is called a transom window. As you can see here, the original Mosquinet has been installed with just an extension that remains closed. Let's get started, shall we? Here are our 2 lateral track extensions. Next, we have our net pack transom. Next, our 2 upper angular brackets. We've attached an extra plastic part. And let's get started. Here we have the lower door track, like before. We're going to imagine that this has already been installed. Next, here is our net pack, like the one we installed previously, as well as a bag with some screws and plastic bolts that will be used for additional reinforcement. Let's take our net pack transom and insert our angular upper brackets, like so. As you can see, I've already inserted the other one for you. Let's take it and slide one at a time the lip behind the 2 lateral tracks that I've already installed, like so. Okay, now we're going to install the 2 upper. I'm going to do one at a time. So pull this out from the center and slide with the lip, like so. We'll take the other one and do the same. Okay, now we're going to take off 2 pieces of tape and push the 2 sides. Now, we're going to take off this, which just helps keep it all together. And we're going to pull this up. The net at the top has 2 clips. You want to hear a clicking noise? Click. And we're done.